Welcome to today's lecture on common mistakes with the present continuous tense. Let's dive right in. One of the most common errors people make is using the present continuous for completed actions. For example, saying, "I'm finishing my homework," when it's already done. The correct way to express this is, "I finished my homework." Remember, the present continuous is for actions happening now, not ones that are already completed. Another mistake is using the present continuous for general truths. For instance, saying, "I'm loving ice cream," when you mean you generally love ice cream. The correct form here is, "I love ice cream." The present continuous should be used for actions in progress, not for things that are always true. To avoid these mistakes, always be aware of the context in which you are speaking and choose the correct tense accordingly. Practice using the present continuous correctly to ensure you are conveying the right message. So, remember, the key takeaway is to use the present continuous for actions happening now, not for completed actions or general truths. By being mindful of the context and practicing the correct usage, you can avoid these common mistakes and communicate more effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using the present continuous tense without any slip-ups. Thank you for tuning in to today's lesson on common mistakes with the present continuous. Happy learning!